Welcome back to every week's tutorials with Beauty Slash, and in this video we're going to discuss different machines for hair stroke, how to pick machine and what to look for. So first of all, there are two different types of machine that will fit to different type of the hair stroke that you do. The first one is the hair stroke when it looks like a line, and the second one is the hair stroke that looks like pixels. Now these are created with different machines. So you might know that there are machines which is short stroke, medium stroke, and long stroke. And to quickly explain to you what it is, I will try my best, is the distance that needle travel within one cycle of the machine. So no matter how you put your needle out or in, it still travels the same distance from in to out and out to in. Now, if it's a short stroke, the needle only have to travel short distance. So usually these machines' speed are high. The sound for these machines is like very high pitch. Now for the medium and long stroke machines, you will hear the sound of these machines is usually it's lower. So because the needle has to travel longer distance, it can't have too high speed compared to the one that is short stroke machine, the one that has to travel short distance. So because the needle in a short stroke machine travel short distance, it doesn't have this momentum to hit the skin. So they are a little bit weak when working on especially lower speed. When it's just too low, the speed is lower and there's not enough momentum to hit the skin. Versus the long stroke machine, when the speed is lower, because it has to travel longer distance, it's still good to hit the skin and make these pixels. Why I mention low speed? Because no matter you're doing hair stroke or shading, you have to care about low speed. Low speed is the best for not creating trauma to the skin. So short stroke machines we're not taking. We are now looking at the medium stroke machines and long stroke machines, where needle travels enough distance to have the momentum to hit the skin and leave dead pixels. Now, there are different machines. Long stroke machine is a little bit too hard for us for permanent makeup. So long stroke machine, the machine is really hitting hard the skin. We leave that to a tattoo artist. For us, we are caring more about medium stroke machine. But now, there are also different types of medium stroke machines. Ones that shake very minimum, and the rest like these, like Cheyenne pen, shakes quite a lot, really vibrates in the hand quite a lot, and it leaves good pixels. So and this is actually the mask. I just took out the battery from Mask Y22, plug this in, and this Mask Y22 also shakes. That's why it also leaves pixelated hair stroke, versus let's say this one, be a master machine that all has its own needles. It doesn't shake at all. It just feels like a pencil in the hand, and it leaves very nice crisp line. So just depends on which style of the hair stroke you want to create. And in a minute I will show this on latex so you can see the difference between the line hair strokes and the pixelated hair strokes. So let me first use the mask to show you, and then be a master machine. So for mask machine, if you want to get the pixelated look, you have to really turn down the speed to the lowest. And this way you will have the pixelated hair stroke. So this is the pixelated hair stroke. And now at the lowest speed of mask, because if you're taking, let's say, the shorter stroke machine and you bring the speed at the lowest, it just won't work. So for this technique, pixelated technique, the speed has to be low to have the distance between the dots so that it looks like pixels. But not every machine can do this. So you have to select medium or long stroke machine that are quite strong. And let me use the BM Master machine to show you. So no matter how you try, the BM Master machine will have more like a line looking stroke rather than pixels. And let me switch to Cheyenne pen, the machine that shakes even more, so you can see the difference. Now, because this machine, Cheyenne pen, shakes the most, it's really hard to control this machine. So that's why for the pixelate look, hair strokes, it's better masked Y22 and using the lowest speed. If you like to have a line looking strokes, try Be a Master. Or else, please share in the comments which machine you enjoy for your hair stroke technique. I would love to read, and I think everybody in this community would love to read what machine we are all using. Also, do welcome to comment your pigments that you're using for hair stroke technique. And again, I will see you next week on Beauty Slash Tutorials, and then you can find me on Instagram, Beauty Slash. You can always tag me in the stories for me to check your work. And then, yes, if you have any questions, again, leave them under this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.